Hey guys, so we're off to go bowling. We invited a few people, so we'll see who shows up.
Can't wait.
It's gonna be
fun.
We probably should put a tally mark of how many times Brian says fun.
Fun, fun, fun. No, but we actually 2 years ago Christmas, Amber wanted her own bowling ball and bowling shoes, so we bought them. So we really haven't gone out since we purchased those. So yeah, I think we've been bowling for like 2 years. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's been a while.
We just had that winter storm come through, put a whole bunch of ice and all that good stuff on the ground.
We were supposed to get, what, like a foot of snow supposedly?
And then it changed.
But I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like outside. This is all the snow that we really got. Wasn't too much, just like a little overlap.
So I know we haven't posted anything in about a week.
Maybe a little bit longer.
Yeah, well, so the reason is we're getting a new computer.
An editing software.
So it's kind of been delayed. And I just found out the computer is coming all the way from Hong Kong. So we should get it sometime this week. And then we should be able to start posting videos shortly thereafter. So we are extremely excited, or at least I am, that we're getting this new computer and all that kind of good stuff. So it's gonna be fun.
And for those that are saying, oh, it's so cold in Florida, or it's so cold, literally, you guys, is it gonna, there it goes, 12 degrees.
Oh, and that's not the wind chill. The wind chill, I think, is like -8. Tomorrow's supposed to be -25 with the wind chill. So
this is very long
It is a long intro. So signing off, you will see us at the bowling alley. So see you guys later. Bye.
I'm just doing.
You done? Porky. Porky. Porky.
What are you talking about? You keep
Bro.
I'm not even really Why is it so low?
Hey, my turn.
I know, Brian is like serious as shit.
Wait till you cross the lake. That is the fun part.
Sorry, you still have pins.
Yeah.
Hey, you still have pins. Hey, you still have pins. I did it. I did it. I did it. Wow. Woo!
Why is it all blurry?
That's fine. I'll edit it. Amber. Hi. So, Amber, so we are waiting for our food, and they're backlogged.
An hour.
An hour.
And I'm already like hungry.
We had lunch at 11:50, and it is 8 o'clock. It's not recording, or is it?
It is now.
Emma. Emma. Say hi.
Let's get a close up.
That hurt.
Oh, CJ's dancing. Got him. Got him.
Look at that. She gets on camera and she bowls a 9.
Like that.
So here's the score as of right now. That's the score right now.
Way on the other side.
And yours truly is number 1.
See, I told you they're competitive.
Amber.
Don't do up. That's like, you're supposed to go down.
Ever.
That's a bad angle. Watch. Don't be a cheater.
I'm gonna, hey, it's gonna be cut out anyway.
Yeah.
You have a lot of bowling to do to catch up. You're gonna lose.
Yeah, spare right.
Oh. Oh, I have it.
Hey. Yes, what's up?
I got a strike.
Are we done?
Number one.
Hey guys.
Hey.
So it cut short abruptly because the battery died. We didn't know we were recording for like
A long time.
2-3 hours.
And so we forgot to bring batteries because, like you said, we didn't plan on doing all that stuff. But as you can tell, Echo's not happy because we were gone for a long time. Hi, Echo. Hi. She's mistalkative. Anyway, sorry guys. So we.
Oh my god, it's a mess.
So, by the way, we are actually
We're
working
trying
to list our house here pretty soon. I don't know if you guys remember in our intro video, we talked about listing our house to sell it, but I don't want to ramble too much. We're going to go watch our niece play basketball tomorrow.
So that's another little adventure.
Yeah.
So we'll have a couple of videos coming out. We were just waiting, like Brian said earlier,
On our camera or on our computer.
So we have like really good editing software.
Yep. So,
Finally.
but we will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll
Hope
go
you
from
guys
there.
like our videos.
All right. See you guys.
Bye.